Inside this vast industrial world, raw wool is transformed into luxury carpets through precision and technology.
At first light, the journey of fine wool begins in the open fields.
Each sheep is carefully guided toward the shearing station with precision and care.
The raw wool is gently removed, preserving its natural quality and softness.
Freshly cut wool is immediately collected and prepared for initial sorting. Once sorted, the wool is packed securely for its journey to the factory. From the farm, the raw wool begins its journey toward industrial transformation.
The raw wool arrives at the gates of the processing facility.
Every shipment is verified before entering the production line.
The raw wool is carefully unloaded for controlled processing. Inside the facility, the transformation process officially begins. The wool first passes through a strict pre-sorting stage.
Machines gently open and prepare the wool for deep cleaning.
At the heart of the industry, raw wool enters a world of precision manufacturing. Every material entering the factory is strictly controlled and verified. Inside the yard, materials move in a perfectly coordinated flow. The raw wool is transferred to the core processing dock. Advanced air systems remove every trace of dust and impurities. The wool now enters its first deep purification stage. The wool enters its first deep industrial wash, where purification begins.
Each rinse stage refines the fibers to a cleaner, purer state.
Excess water is removed through powerful centrifugal force.
Controlled drying restores the wool's natural softness and volume. Now, the wool is classified for its final transformation stage.
A final conditioning step prepares the fibers for weaving.
The refined wool is prepared for its transformation into yarn.
Inside the spinning section, raw fiber becomes continuous thread.
The yarn is carefully wound and prepared for finishing treatments.
Precise color formulas are prepared for the weaving process.
The dyed yarn is stabilized to preserve its final color quality.
The yarn absorbs rich color under carefully controlled conditions.
The dyed yarn now enters the weaving hall, where transformation begins.
Thousands of threads interlock to form the foundation of the carpet.
Every thread contributes to a carefully designed pattern.
The woven fabric is now stabilized into structured rolls. Edges are refined to ensure perfect finishing quality. Heat and pressure refine the carpet into its final surface form.
The entire production is now synchronized through a central control system.
Automation ensures seamless movement between every production stage. Precision brushing enhances the final texture of each carpet. Every design is verified with advanced optical precision systems. A final air purification ensures absolute cleanliness. The carpet is shaped into its final commercial form.
Every carpet undergoes strict visual and machine-based inspection.
Even the smallest imperfections are corrected with precision robotics. Steam treatment stabilizes the fiber structure for long-term durability. Controlled cooling locks in the final structural quality. The carpet now receives its final visual enhancement.
Only perfect carpets receive final certification for export.
In the laboratory, every fiber is scientifically verified for durability.
Each fiber is tested for strength under extreme controlled pressure.
Color stability is proven under harsh environmental simulation.
Moisture behavior is carefully evaluated for real-world performance.
Heat resistance ensures long-lasting structural integrity.
All results converge into a final approval for production release.
The approved carpets now enter the final stage of production. Each carpet is sealed to preserve its quality during transport. Every product is digitally tracked for global shipment.
Finished carpets are systematically organized for global distribution.
The finished carpets are now ready for worldwide export.
And this is how modern factories produce wool carpets from start to finish.